I'm Raoul Pelletier, CEO and co-founder of Anthrotek, a company that creates hyper-realistic medical model for surgery training, medical device testing, and so on. The primary use of the LC Magna for us is to print models of either organs or masks. And the benefit of having obviously a resin printer is the high quality and the detail fidelity that we get from these prints, which is a requirement for us. We need to be able to capture these fine wrinkles. We need to be able to capture in these molds the texture of a stomach or the internal texture of a intestine. The LC Magna was very helpful for us in terms of reliability. We initially purchased a very large resin printer from a manufacturer in China, which proved to be quite unreliable. And then we decided to buy the Photocentric, and for us it has been then the workhorse of the company. It prints most of our molds, and we have a certainty that the print is very unlikely to fail and will deliver on time the molds that we so critically need.
The benefits of the LC Magna over other technologies are definitely the size and print speed and quality. So printing large objects traditionally it tends to be quite a slow process, but the LC Magna features this kind of innovative technology to enable really fast overnight printing, even large models. So we're really a big fan of the Magna black resin, but we also like the Magna flexible resin. It's a really tough, durable resin with just enough give to allow you to kind of pass it through narrow spaces that sometimes result from tight or thin molds. When you're casting something for a large silicone mold, dimensional accuracy is really important. We found since using the Photocentric Magna system that the molds that we produce are essentially seamless. The kind of surface contact between the two parts is always flush, very neat. It's the kind of result that you couldn't expect from any other printer.
The Phase Forge is the brand of Anthrotek, which deals with the cinema industry or the entertainment industry. We have worked with smaller production movies such as I'm Your Host or The Run, that has evolved into, at the end, working with Danny Boyles on the production of 28 Years Later. So our experience with Photocentric can be summarized in a few words: reliable, good support, and great communication.